Hey guys, are you looking gasless MIG welder? In this video I will show you top 5 best gasless MIG welder to buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products you can check out the links down in the description. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Brand name, HZXVOGEN, model number, HBM 2280. This MIG welding station is equipped with a digital LCD screen, and the large LCD color screen clearly performs every step of the welding process, which makes welding simple and efficient. The welding machine offers several welding programs to choose from, such as welding voltage, welding current, welding mode, thread diameter, metal type and thickness, 2T or 4T point, welding mode, VRD. The dual panel design perfectly protects the display from damage. The pulse function can make the aluminum profile thin plate not deformed. The thick plate has a high degree of fusion and the weld seam is beautifully formed, and the welding point is not black after the porosity welding. It can be matched with wire drawing welding gun, fast drawing welding, and improving welding efficiency. The burnback current is adjustable to avoid blocking the contact tip due to excessive current. It will automatically enter the standby state if no load time exceeds 3 minutes, reducing power consumption. Intelligent full-function design can weld a variety of profiles. One key switch welding mode, select welding material and automatically match the current. Large screen LCD display, intuitive and detailed understanding of welding parameters, making work easier. It is super easy and convenient to choose the welding mode, material, welding wires, tungsten rods, electrode, and the workpiece thickness you need by spinning and pressing the buttons. The ergonomic handle and dual voltage 110 or 220 volts design make the machine ideal for working and carrying indoors and outdoors. The MIG welder can weld aluminum, carbon, steel, iron, etc. Number 4. Brand name, ANDELI, model number, MCT 416. ANDELI multi-process MIG welder is a breakthrough machine. Real output current, strong input makes you fall in love with welding. The ideal welding conditions are automatically set by selecting wire diameter and plate thickness. The voltage adjustment and current can be freely adjusted, allowing you to set the welding conditions in finer increments. Each can be adjusted steplessly, making it more effective, especially when performing thin sheet welding. Easy to operate by welding beginners. This welding machine is suitable for ordinary thin steel, iron, stainless steel, low-carbon steel, mold repair, and etc. Not suitable for welding aluminum. Utilizing the efficiency and reliability of multiple IGBT inverters, allowing a huge increase in duty cycle. Meaning you can push this powerhouse to the limit and beyond. Number 3. Brand name, HITBOX, model number, MIG 200. Equipped with a smart digital LCD display, and the welding parameter is built in with precise data. Digitally controlled, it automatically adapts to the recommended current and wire feed speed by selecting wire diameter and gas material. You can also configure the welding current to suit your soldering habits. Easy to use for beginners or professional welders. It is suitable for pipe fitting, mold repair, petrochemical industry, building decoration, automobile repair, bicycle, crafts, and general manufacturing. The MIG soldering iron has special features such as adaptive crater, quench control, and forward or reverse flow to improve your welding efficiency. The exclusive human-machine interactive LED display design provides you with accurate data visualization and facilitates clear reading without taking off the helmet. Number 2. Brand name, ANDELI, model number, MIG 270 TPL. MIG 270 TPL is a multifunctional welder made specially for MIG. TIG is suitable for welding stainless steel, copper mold, carbon steel, and etc. The core cold welding technology, exquisite weld bead. The welding point temperature is low, the deformation is small, the color of the stainless steel welds is silvery white. With high-frequency arc ignition ensures a cleaner weld starting point, no spatter, and good weld formation. 2T is manual, which is press the switch to start welding, lose the switch to stop welding. Generally used for short seam welding and spot welding. 4T is semi-automatic, click it to automatic welding, and then press it again to close the arc, suitable for long distance welding of long seam. No need to press the gun switch all the time when welding, relieving the fatigue of your finger. Suitable for gas or gasless welding. Number 1. Brand name, HITBOX, model number, HBM 1200. HITBOX MIG Welder come with a safety feature where the welder is automatically turned off when it is too hot or the voltage and current exceed their range. This flux core welder will keep you and your welder safe. There are fans helping to cooling the welder when working. HITBOX HBM 1200 welder machine has a rated duty cycle of 40% at 120 ampere. HITBOX HBM 1200 inverter welder equipped with one knob control system and digital display. Synergic MIG allows automatic change of the voltage and wire feeding speed by adjusting the amperage. It is best for welding beginner. HITBOX Flux MIG Welder built-in overcurrent protection, overload protection, overheating and overvoltage function that extend the lifespan of the machine. HITBOX HBM 1200 MIG Welder panel is easy to operate. The welding unit is equipped with a cool air radiator, overheat protection and VRD function.